Dear friends, today we discuss about agronomy. Grain used for making beer and whiskey is barley. Percentage of area under irrigated pulse is 8, which is poor man's cereal crop pearl millet. Major pulse producing state in India is MP. Hardiest crop among the pulse is green gram. Crop used for determining permanent building point under field condition. Sunflower. Which country has highest fertilizer consumption? Netherlands. The sensitivity, salinity and waterlogging is sesame. Which crop does not leave any residual nutrient to the succeeding crop? Potato. Who is the first person used to define forbid Jethro tool? Fruit crop with which have the highest area in India is mango. First sorghum hybrid was developed in 1964. First hybrid of maize released in India is Ganga 1. First bajra hybrid was released in India. Average productivity of rice in India is around 3000 per kg per hectare. Rice variety tolerant for ferric toxicity is Paguna. Hybrid rice technology is popular in China. Depth of seedling in wheat is related to with the length of coleoptile. Depth of sowing for Mexican wheat variety is 4 cm or sometimes 5 cm. Which crop is having the highest protein content? Lentil 26% or 25%. Most nutritious pulse crop is lentil. Leading jute producing state in India is West Bengal. Percentage sugarcane produce is used for production of ghani and gur and khandsari 30 to 35%. Optimum temperature required for jute growth and rating process 34 degrees Celsius. Crop logging concept was used in sugarcane. Which crops are a moderately deep 90 cm root? Lucerne and safflower. Which cropping system is having largest area in India? Rice wheat. Which crops require sulfur abundantly? Oilseeds. IARI was established in Bihar during 1905. Optimum CNS ratio for better crop production is 130 1.3. Individual crops species which is a part of multiple cropping system is called component crops. Cropping intensity in India is 140%. Indian Society of Agronomy was started during 1955. Most commonly and widely cultivated pulse in India is gram. Rice is originated from Indo-Burma, East Asia. India has the largest area of rice cultivation in the world, 45 million hectare. The varieties which belongs to species Oryza glabrima around in Africa. The rice variety grown in India belongs to indica. Golden rice is rich source of vitamin A. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.